Hey everyone, it's K-Red. Hope you're all doing well. Ended up today with a fun little burst of energy, so I sat down and did this quick little 15-minute drawing. Probably the vast majority of this drawing was spent in getting the petals just right. So I took some extra time in that, used a pencil and worked them out. You have to get the angles of the leaves just right to make the petals look like they flop over each other. Just take your time, use a pencil, do them one at a time, and then just fill each leaf, each petal in individually. I put on a little upbeat music today. Thought it'd be fun, enjoy the summer sun, and just kick back with a happy, joyful drawing. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are doing really well. Please click the like and subscribe button and let me know what you think of this. See you on the next one. Once that's done, I erased all my pencil marks and I just started each petal trying to make them just slightly different. This is a great project for beginners. You have nice, clear ideas of where to start, and each petal is slightly different. Don't overthink it. There is no wrong way. Add something interesting to the stem. Remember, the order that you do things are really not important. Just have fun and go with whatever catches your eye. Let's add a small amount of shading and see what that does. Maybe a little detail on the leaves, and that's it. That's the fun for today. This is a great one that if you're in the mood for it, to grab some colored pencils or some colored markers and go in and add some color to it. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a good day. Thank you again for joining me, and please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you on the next project.